Good morning, students. Our today's topic is hotel guest room change procedure. Hotel guest room change procedure. In this implementation of room changes should be done in accordance with accurate information obtained from guests, clear communication between related departments and procedures applicable. All room changes requests must be recorded in the GIF, which is the guest information form with reasons assuming dissatisfaction with the existing room and as relevant guest preferences updated immediately. Objectives: in order to specify with instant guest solution to room dissatisfaction, avoid guest inconvenience and complaints during the change process, ensure that PMS is updated accordingly with the latest information, very important for others PMS users, example telephone, concierge, laundry, room service, etc. Enable proper follow-up on those processes, example message handling, wake-up calls, etc. Ensure applicable procedures are fully adhered to by the staff concerned, especially GSAs, GREs, bellboy, laundry, housekeeping, and room service staff and other related staffs. Ensure that the guest belongings are placed in the new room according to the guest request or as the original setup as per the previous room. Avoid missing items or lost luggage during the room change process. Reasons behind room change. There are two main reasons why a room change needs to be conducted. First, a guest preference request that is not established earlier, example wrong room assignment, a defect that cannot be repaired immediately. Whichever reason requests or handles it from the first instance carries out the room change procedure until properly finished. The ownership attained to detail and the time efficiency is the key in conducting a proper room change. After the room change is executed, sharing the information with other related departments is very crucial to ensure smooth communication process and avoid future errors. Appropriate information is distributed, giving clear instructions to staff concerned on their respective responsibilities, such as luggage delivery, etc. In the event that the guest dissatisfaction stems from dislike as opposed to defects, there exists an opportunity to upsell to a secondary storage of rooms or suites. Room change types. There are basically two types of rooms involved. Live room, it applies to room move done in the presence of the guest. Dead move, this applies to room moves done through guest request and after proper verifications of the guest identities or through proper authorization from guest his or her absence. Procedures in live rooms moves. Listen carefully to the guest, ensuring you fully understand their requirements and reasons for requesting a room change. Apologize for inconvenience which may be caused as a result of the room defect or mishandling in the earlier room assignment or nothing to the guest preferences. As much as possible, allocate a room close to or on the same floor to the existing room and describe it to the guest. However, this depends on the nature of the complaint. Did in some cases, it will be necessary to move the guest further away, example, away from elevators, noise, etc. Offer to show the new room to the guest before making the change. Make sure that the new room should be inspected by the club executive or duty manager before showing it to the guest. If the reason for change is due to room dislike, example sizes, smell, decor, etc., take the opportunity to discuss the variety of rooms available, better view or more space, including the executive club floor or higher price rooms. Depending on the severity of the problem and the room availability, a decision has to be made on whether to upgrade at no additional charge or to upsell the new room to the guest. Get the guest to participate in the decision-making process on his or her intention to move. Once the guest has approved the change, offer to send the housekeeping staff to assist with the luggage packing and the bellman to deliver the new key, making it unnecessary for the guest to come back to the front desk. GSAs or GREs will be then raise the room change form indicating the guest name, old room number, new room number, date and time, reasons for the move before handing over the form to the bellboy with the set of new room keys. Inform housekeeping department and room service to change delivery as amenities for VIPs so as service recovery, compensation if applicable. The housekeeping staff, bellmen, should ensure in the process of making the room move, they have to check all the possible areas, including bathroom, vanity table, etc., in order to confirm that guest has left nothing behind. GSAs, GREs then has to complete the room move process in the Fidelio system after receiving the room change form. Ask from the returning bellman to confirm that the guest has already been moved to the new room. Make sure that the bellman's name is correctly recorded on the room change form. The GSAs and GREs has to make sure that the previous room change RAM is flagged to be vacant or vacant dirty status. The GSA GRE has to give the guest a courtesy call to, after the change to ensure that the guest is satisfied with the new room. The GSA and GREs or staff involved in to raise the guest incident form (GIF) for any room changes caused due to the room defect or mishandling reasons, and under the remarks field in the Fidelio profile to cause of disturbance dissatisfaction has to be updated by the duty manager for the future references. The GSAs and GREs will then distribute the various department sections: white for the housekeeping, blue color for the operator, yellow color for the front office direct billing, pink attached to the registration card. GSA GREs has to inform the following section departments of the above change: telephone department, room service department, laundry department, and the housekeeping department. The GSA and GRE has to transfer the registration card attached to the room change form and other supporting F&B checks bills to the new room docket. Housekeeping. The general assistant, upon receiving the notification from the front desk, has to record the room movement in the housekeeping procedure logbook. The general assistant has to check the room status after the guest has moved and make sure that the room should be in vacant or dirty vacant status in the Fidelio system and inform the floor supervisor in charge of the room change. The general assistant should then inform the room attendant to check the minibar of the old room and to charge in accordingly to the new room of any previous misconsumption. Check also to ensure that any written notes, other pieces of papers, receipts, etc., which may be important to the guest, and he or she may have forgotten to take them along. Laundry department. Record the information of the room changes in the laundry logbook by the laundry valid order taker. Check the laundry order record for any items sent by the guests from the previous rooms and take note of to delivery charge the laundry to the new room, if any. Room service. Record the information into the logbook. Check the room service order for any orders placed by the guest room from the previous and charge send the room guest new room bill accordingly, if any. Procedure dead moves. Duty manager, security officers. If the guest has a request to have his or her belongings moved while he or she is not in the hotel room, the duty manager must ascertain the proper authorization and guest verification to ensure instructions given to accurate and proper. Duty manager must be accompanied by a senior security officer in the moving so as to ensure proper inventory on the guest belongings and to act as witness to each other. The information and about the room movement related to the above mentioned case should be recorded on the duty manager logbook and the secretary occurrence log.